Barnes and Noble that I got from the gift card that my Uncle Joey got me. Let's open it. Thank you for sitting so patiently, little peacock. Wow, this is hard. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wow.
What is it?
Here we go. And it's this, and it says 25 surprises. Look for ultra rare surprises. Box me. Turn me upside down. So I think we need to turn this upside down. Aw, that's a cute little doll. This is so fluffy. At the top, let's see, how do we open this? Here we go, and this up top is really soft, and it goes up. It's a little handle. And there's a little message on the back. OMG, sis. OMG, we sisters are ready to style the winter disco when the stars come out and the disco ball drops. We hit the dance floor. We can't wait to chill out and boot. I don't know what that says. Down with all
And boogie.
Boogie. Down with all our BBs for the party of a lifetime.
Ooh.
That sounds great. Now with this, we do this. Here she is. She's so cool. Here's her little dressing room. Dressing. This is her little sister.
Oh.
It's really cute. This is like glitter. What is this? It's like really pretty glitter.
Ooh.
Or snow, I should say. And this is really cool too. It's really cool shoes. And this is a little hat box. And here is her little sister. Okay, so we got our beautiful little doll out. There they are. And here is her little water bottle. They can share it. And should we open the shoes?
Sure.
Okay. This wrapping paper. Ooh. Cool wrapping paper. Whoa. This is cool wrapping paper. And the shoes are even cooler. They kind of match this bag.
Mm-hmm.
They match this bag. And it's time to get our beautiful hat out. It goes on her head, of course. This is her little hat. Oh, I guess that's why she was under there. She found a toy. And what's inside here? This is really cool. Ooh, these sunglasses are so cool. And this is a little backpack, which is really cool. These little earrings. I'm going to put them in. It's a tiny hole. is so tiny. I can barely see it. Is there anything else in here? Is there anything in here? I don't think so. Okay. Oh yeah, there was. It's a little thing, and it's like it can open. Let me open it. There's some makeup in a little mirror, and this is it, and this is the inside. And it will fit in this little bag. I'm gonna put it in it. Oh, it's so tiny. That's really tiny. It's so small.
What's next?
I don't know. Let's open this. Ooh, this is a cool little backpack. Something else. That out of the way. All in there. And now for these really cool bags. These bags are so cool. And this is a little hair comb. Well, a big hair comb. Here is the bag. And let's get the littler one. Well, there. Here's the littler bag. And let's open this. These pants are so cool. Where'd they go? They're really big, so where'd they go? Here are her pants. And let's open this. Ooh, this is really cool. It's a little sweater.
Ooh.
And here is a little jacket thing, I think. Was there anything else? There's little directions. And
Do we know her name?
yes, her name is Snowlicious. And it looks like our this is a lot of directions. And here is we can make our doll will either spit or cry.
The baby.
Yeah, this one will either spit or cry.
What do you think?
I don't know. It might change color too. I don't know. But it can also let's see. This is really cool glitter. I wonder what it is for. And here's their little house, and it says right here, I like my cocoa hot and my weather cold. I like my sweaters heavy and my snowflakes light. I like my snowboarding smooth and my dance music bumping. And let's see, was that all? I think that was all. I'm gonna get this stand ready.
Let's put her all together for everyone so
Yep.
they can see.
Yep.
Final doll.
So that was all. So bye. Subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up button and ring that bell. Have a great day. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo.